So what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlogs. Alright, so right now we're on a double-decker bus, which is like what London is known for. But yeah, we're gonna be looking around like most of the famous spots here in London and all that type of stuff, so let's get to it. Yo, we on that real life toy stuff. Look at that. We on that double-decker London. Towering over London now. Oh, look at that Ferrari, California. It's funny because I'm on a tour around London and I'm over here looking at cars. It's just a lot of cars here we don't have in the US. But I don't know what that is. Like, see, we don't have that. What is that thing? What are you? Ooh, a G-body. That's a nice G-body. It's a real nice G-body. Damn. Damn that G-body. Oh, y'all saw that I8 though. That thing's clean. A Hollister. Yeah. See, Americans get London also. London gets American stuff also. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is like a really busy street here. Like this is
Esto
like
es famosa aquí.
¿Ah?
Esta es la esquina famosa aquí en Piccadilly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, apparently this is like a famous like corner here in Piccadilly. It's a street. You see like right there. Damn, look at that statue. At performance also. Hey, telephone poles. Yo, look at that Ford Ranger. We don't have those, that's for sure. Those look cool though. Like a brand new Ford Ranger. I think the latest Ford Ranger we had was like in 2008 or something, which my dad used to actually have. And it was one of the first cars I learned how to drive stick in. Hey, Canada. Let's go. Oh, we about to see Big Ben. Oh boy. Some dude on a horse. I don't know who that is. I'm sorry. That's something over there. Isn't this where actually that's where they had the Fast and Furious 5 or 6? It was in there and then they raced here. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're pretty close to Big Ben now. So we'll be able to see Big Ben very soon. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. It's freezing compared to Florida. There's Big Ben right there. And then the London Eye right there. Right there. Big Ben's up there. Freezing. But yeah, there's the London Eye. And we're about to be up on. Oh, we're about to go up on the London Eye in a few minutes. So yeah. Here's a better view of like the Big Ben and that building that I was saying earlier with the bridge. Beautiful, beautiful. We're at the top of London now right now. Great view of just all of London all around. And there you go, guys. That's a little bit of London Eye, which is pretty cool and up there. We were up high up. So what is my sister doing in the ride? This ain't the ride. What is my sister doing? Why are you there, Jennifer? Now you're here. Hey.
Hands down, hands down. Hello, the internet. Hello, YouTube. We're here in Bath. It's 2018, and these are my noisy friends. Hello, the internet. Hello, children of the world. I'm 39. This is what happens when you get to 40. Get used to it! No one else is going to tell you. The media is lying to you. Every single person you see on your television is basically a model. Magazines are designed to make you feel ugly, so you buy more stuff. This is what men are supposed to look like!
Every roll of digging.
Please, don't just walk away like these people. If you haven't got it, come and say thank you. If you can, please pay what you can. Don't pay what you think the show is worth. Pay the maximum you can afford. I accept credit cards. Thank you very much.
This guy's too much. That's way too funny.
Form a queue here for credit card payments.
All I have is American, but
American's fine.
there you go,
right?
boss. Oh, watch out.
Very much.
There you go.
Thank
No problem, man.
Thank you very much.
That's the type of stuff you get here. It's crazy. Alright guys, so we just finished eating in a like an English pub, and it was my first time actually having fish and chips, which is pretty raw. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. We're gonna be walking around. Apparently, it's like one of the oldest buildings here to date, and we actually passed right in front of the main house from Harry Potter 1, which is pretty cool. My boy Nat already got them XXRs on. Oh, BMX. Now that's a gem. That's a definite gem. It's gorgeous. Hey, McDonald's, let's go. McDonald's, Wagamama. That name's funny. Wagamama. Oh, look, here's the place again. Yeah, it's a cathedral, I knew it. Ha. Yeah, I'm listening to like an audio thing. But I knew it was like a church, cathedral type of thing. By the way, don't mind my hair, I know. My hair is a mess. Alright guys, so we're finally on top of the bridge, the Tower Bridge. Ah, stupid wind. And there's Dixie Queen, which is one of the famous tugboats that they have here in London. But yeah, the bus brakes are so loud, it's so annoying. Did I just hear? No, that was not boost. I thought I heard boost. Not boost, I'm gonna blow off out, but oh, not the Lotus. Oh, okay. Ooh, Lexus. Old Lotus. What, we got pancakes at Starbucks now? Yo, Europe Starbucks is fire. What is this? We got pancakes over here now? That's raw. You all already know, gotta have my Starbucks even in London. Tastes different. I don't like it. States makes better Starbucks. I don't know.
This is of interest to you. This is the Millennium Footbridge. This is the one that Death Eaters destroyed in the Prisoner of Azkaban, I think. Around about 10 years ago that was. So they built it back pretty well, like the original anyway. For the Harry Potter fans as well, on the right, the City of London School for Boys. That is where Daniel Radcliffe himself studied as a student for around about 5 years as a younger boy. But you see, he was very, very fortunate indeed, because his parents had to pay around about £60,000 a year for him to attend that school.
Look at the church. So this is apparently the church that William and Kate both got married at. And geez, up close is so beautiful. I gotta watch out because there's like a traffic jam here. It's so bad to walk in. God damn. For those of you guys who actually know about this place, we're in front of the Buckingham Palace, and it looks like, I don't have to go post picking it up, but it looks like the Queen is here because the flag's up. But yeah, pretty cool. I love like all the gold, like not design, but like the gold like inch. I don't know, like all that gold stuff there. I forgot what the word is called. Like the detail. There we go. The gold detail everywhere. It's pretty raw. But yeah, it looks like they might have already done the guard change also. But oh well. Alright, so here's a little memorial for, I think it was like 100,000 Canadians who came during World War I and World War II to help the British out. And they made a really cool like little memorial type of thing. Almost stopped. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I just missed it, but you'll see a little bit over there. Like I'll zoom in. But where'd they go? Where did they go? Those two cars over there, the Rover and the Rolls Royce. Two royals just came out of the castle. I don't know who they were though. So I just got word those was actually Prince Charles that came out. Well, yeah, they're about to close up everything. They put a barrier up. Pretty cool. That's one thing you barely see. Like you have like a one in 100 chance to see that. Oh shit, BBTI Celica. Nice. BBTI Celica, not bad. Mopac. Jeez. Prius. VW. Another moped. Benz. Prius. There's a lot of Priuses. Another Benz. There's a lot of Priuses and a lot of Benzes around here. Like a lot of German engineering. It's windy as hell. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Also, become one of the notification squad. That'd be really cool so you guys could know when I'm uploading every day and all that type of stuff. So, until next time, peace out.